So you've opened a small business and you want to know what you should spend your money on. What's your priority? Well, after 25 years in a business with several businesses now, I can tell you that your biggest budget item should be marketing because without clients, your business will fail. So you need marketing. You need, in this day and age, you need digital marketing, maybe social media marketing, depending on whether you have a service-based business or a product-based business. You are going to need to let people know that your business is out there and has services or products that they want. So your biggest budget item, I would say in your first 3 years, should be marketing. You can wait to get the fancy equipment. You can wait to get the better truck. You can wait to get, a bigger trailer, a nicer computer, a better printer. Keep everything bare bones until your marketing is, you know, foolproof. So get your marketing dialed in, get clients coming through the door all the time. Find out what marketing works for you and what doesn't, but spend your money on that for about the first 3 years until you have a nice established clientele or you know how to build a funnel if you're selling products or courses or classes or whatever. But spend your money on marketing. It will be the biggest payoff for you. All right. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks.